Welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss about the previous year NEET question in the year 1994 in physical chemistry under the topic of some basic concepts in chemistry. Let's discuss the question. In this year, only one question is asked in this topic. The question is nothing but to find the significant figure. This is all about the question. In the final answer of the expression, in this expression, the number of significant figure is what? Which means the final of this expression, which means the value or else the answer obtained from this mathematical solution. We need to find the significant figure of the answer. Significant figure of the answer. So we need to consider the rule of board mass. Okay, so board mass. But in this case, the board mass is not at all needed. We should consider, but in this case, the board mass rule is not at all needed. Why it is not at all needed? There is a two bracket. First one is 22.92 minus 20.2. The second one is 1.79 multiplied by 10 to the power 5. So the first thing we need to do is subtract 22.92 minus 22.2, so that the value obtained from this solution is multiplied by 1.79 multiplied by 10 to the power 5. Then it will be divided by 1.37. This is a case. According to board mass, subtraction is last, but in this case, subtraction should be first, so that it can be solved, or else it cannot be solved. Okay, so in this case, board mass is not at all applicable. So if I subtract 29.2, which means 20.2 from 29.2, I will get basically what is called 9.0, right? I will get basically 9.0. This is the exact value. This is the exact value with the exact decimal. So 9.0 then multiplied by 1.79 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 divided by 1.37. So the number of significant figure, which means the final answer of the significant figure. According to the rule of significant figure, I am already told in the very first video of this rule of the significant figure for the multiplication, division and addition, subtraction. If you add or subtract two numbers, the significant figure should be maximum, which means if you subtract 3 significant number minus 2 significant numbers, the answer will be 3, because the one having the highest significant value, that is the answer. In this case 29.2, then 20.2, if you minus these, you will get 9.0. The maximum significant figure is 3 here. The maximum significant figure is 3 here. If you subtract, we will get 9. Just 9. Why we put 9.0? Because 9 is the minimum significant figure. 2 is a maximum significant figure. We cannot write 3. 9.00. 9.00 we cannot write because there is a no decimal. Okay, after 0 there is a no decimal. So I am writing the maximum significant figure for the case of addition, subtraction. Okay, it is opposite in the case of multiplication and division. If you multiply any two numbers, the answer will be the minimum significant number. Okay, so in this case 2 is a significant number. See, 2 is a significant figure. In this case 1.79, this is a 3, is a significant 9. 1.37, this also has significant figure of 3. So if you multiply 2 significant figure by 3 significant figure, then also divided by 3 significant figure, the answer should be the minimum significant figure, which means the answer should be 2. If you check the options in this year, the answer is 2, because the final expression should be in the significant figure of 2. We don't want, which means we don't need to solve this expression completely from the rule of significant figure. If you add or subtract, take the maximum significant figure value. If you multiply or divide, take the minimum significant figure value. That is the key to solve this question. In the final expression, significant figure is 2, multiplied by significant figure is 3, divided by significant figure is 3. So the answer is significant figure of 2.